it do, everyone? It's your favorite girl Roya here, back at again with another video. And today I did this fox eye look with my regular Smegla foundation routine, but it's a little bit of updated, just a little bit. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yes, let's get right into it if you like this look. So let's get started on this look. So I'm gonna just run down the foundation, the contour, all that. But when I get to the eyes, I'm gonna tell you guys in detail what I'm doing. So let's just get to the face and get this done. All right. So that's basically it for my foundation. Pretty simple, straight to the point. Now I'm gonna get into the hard part, which is the eyes, and I'm gonna try to do that fox eye look here. So let's try to get this fox eye look. So now I'm going to do the fox eye look for you guys, and let's get started. So the first thing I do, oh, by the way, I'm gonna do my eyebrows at the very end. I usually do my eyebrows at the very end. So let's just do the fox eye. So first I'm gonna use some tape, to get a sharp edge here. And you want it to go a little lifted. Like you want your eyeballs, your eyelids to be lifted. You know that, like you just had surgery and they pull that hair back, they pull that hairline back, and you got that lifted look. That's what we're looking for. So, for the first time ever on camera, I'm going to be using my amrezy palette here. This thing is beautiful, so I was like, why not put this to the test on camera? Well, show you guys how this look on camera. So we're gonna use this to do the fox eye. So basically the colors I'm gonna be using are the brown, just the brown shades. So the shades and then the black, and then I'm just gonna go in with the eyeliner. So I'm gonna try to explain this as much as possible here so you guys can do it at home. So yeah, let's get started. To start off with, I'm gonna do an overall crease shade and just do something in my crease just to give me some definition, because what's an eye look without any definition? So I'm taking this New Yorker shade right here, and then I'm just going to put it into my crease here. You see how that just looks put together? It just looked like boom, like you did something to the eye when you really didn't though. Alright, now that that's done, that's all we're doing. Like literally this eye look is supposed to be simple as long as you follow these simple instructions. So since that is done, now we're gonna do like the eyeliner part, and we're gonna start off very small here. Like I was saying, I'm gonna start with this OG shade, and I'm gonna do like an eyeliner. I'm gonna use an eyeliner pencil and just do it like I would do an eyeliner. Then I'm going to like buff it out a little bit. Y'all should see what I'm doing. Okay, now I'm going in with 1988, that like darker brown shade, and I'm gonna do the same thing. And you see what I'm like trying to do, like create like a blown out, like fluffy, like effortless liner here. Let's take like a small little fluffy brush and just like diffuse it together. You see how I created like a winged effect? But I'm gonna just keep diffusing the color and make it like effortless. Now I'm gonna take my fluffy brush, small fluffy brush, and diffuse it. Now it is all diffused. So I'm gonna do the same thing with this eye and just diffuse it out. Now I'm gonna do an eyeliner, and I'll be right back. Now that that's all done, I'm gonna let the eyeliner dry, and then I'm gonna go back in with the fluffy brush and put more brown into the upper liner area just to like give it that fox eye effect. So I'm gonna just let my eyeliner dry, and then I'll be back. So now that my eyeliner dried a little bit, now I'm gonna take that 1988 shade, that dark brown, and put it on top of the eyeliner just a little bit, just to darken it and give that fox eye effect. And you know, I can't forget the inner corner, so I think I'm gonna use Anastasia right here and put that in my inner corner just to brighten it up a little bit. See, that is something. Now that's all done, and I'm gonna take the tape and boom, look at that. Now that we have the tape, now I know where like I want to darken it more at on the top, because I want it to be like more blown out. dark. So I'm gonna take the 1988 and the BK, that black shade, and like, I don't know, like do something. And diffuse it out a little bit. There we go. That's what I was looking for. Now we need like a brow bone highlight. So I'm gonna take Barb and Anastasia together, these two shades right here. If you can see it, these two shades right here, and just put it into my brow bone. See, now I'm giving you that fox look, you know what I'm saying? Like, now I'm gonna do my eyebrows just a little bit, do a little something, something. Not too much, not too much. Now I'm gonna take that, you know, multi-purpose thing here and then like tight line my lower lashes just to give that fox look. But I'm gonna do this off camera and I'm gonna come back because I can't do it. I can't look down and, you know, do that. So I tight line just a little bit, and now I'm just gonna use a fluffy brush and put New Yorker on the lower lash line. Now I'm doing my lips, and I'm basically done here. So for lips, I'm going to be lining my lips. Okay, we back at it again. So let's try this again. So I'm gonna try these three colors. So I'm gonna try two lip from ColourPop, this lip gloss by Anastasia, and then if I need to, I'm gonna add this NYX lingerie lipstick and see what we got, you know what I'm saying? So like I literally totally forgot to put lashes on, so I'm doing the end. So I put on my lashes and tight line the top a little bit just to blend in that white glue with the lashes. And that's about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you.